What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to do the no grab foot plant. Let's get into it. So the no grab foot plant is when you throw a 180 shove it, and in the middle of throwing the shove it, you mainly use your back foot to do a small hop into the wave and jumping back onto the board using the right timing. Now, before attempting this trick, it's very important to make sure that you have your 180 shove-its on lock. And guys, when it comes to the foot positioning, it's really nothing special at all. The same foot positioning that you would normally use for a 180 shove is the exact same that you would use for this trick as well. Just for a small recap, as an example, I personally like to have my back foot towards the tail of the board. Now, whether you want to have your toes curled around the edge of the board for more torque like I do, it's completely up to you, personal preference. And then I usually have my front foot towards the middle of the board. I'm usually about shoulder width apart throughout the entire portion of this trick. Okay, now what I want you guys to notice right now is as I'm winding up to do a normal 180 shove it, in the back of my mind, I'm also remembering to only pop high enough so that my back foot can still hop into the wave while my front foot stays completely flat over my board to make sure it does not flip in any direction that I do not want it to. Now, like I said in the beginning, the timing is really important when it comes to this trick because you definitely want to make sure that you're popping the shove at the right height and that you're also jumping into the wave and doing that little hop at the right time as well, because otherwise you may take a fall like this. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.